Welcome to Logic's Hub. Can you find the value of this difficult problem, which is 27 divided by 3 divided by 3 times 3? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 40 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve this question step by step. So guys, 27 divided by 3, which is equal to 9, okay, divided by 3 times 3. Now from here I can write it as that 9 divided by 3 times 3. Okay guys, now here 3 and 3 cancel with each other and the final answer of this expression is 9. Guys, this is the final answer of this question. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more maths challenges. Thanks for watching my this video.